If you want to protect your progress and make sure your Steam games are safe, this video is going to show you exactly how to back up and restore Steam games in a simple step-by-step way. This is super useful if you're changing computers, freeing up space, reinstalling Steam, or just want peace of mind knowing your games can be restored later without having to download everything again. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam and go to your library. This is where all of your installed and owned games are listed. Find the game you want to back up, then right-click on it to open the menu. From there, select Properties. This takes you to the settings page for that specific game, where you can manage updates, files, and other options. Once the Properties window opens, look for the Installed Files tab. Click that tab, and you should see the option for Backup Game Files. This is the feature Steam provides for saving a copy of your game files so you can restore them later if needed. Click the Backup Game Files button to begin the backup process. After that, Steam will ask you to choose a folder or location for the backup. Pick a folder on your computer, external drive, or any storage location you want to use. Make sure it's somewhere easy to find later, because you'll need that same folder when restoring the game. Once you've selected the folder, click Backup to start saving the files. Now, Steam will begin creating the backup. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few moments or a little longer. Bigger games will naturally take more time, so be patient and let the process finish completely. When it's done, your game files will be safely stored in the folder you selected. For the demonstration, I'm going to go back now and remove this game so you can see how the restore process works from scratch. This helps show that the backup actually works and that you can bring the game back later without starting over. To restore the game, go back to Steam and click the Steam button in the top menu. From the drop-down, choose Restore from Backup. This tells Steam that you want to install a game from files you already saved instead of downloading it again. Next, click Browse and locate the folder where your backup was saved. Select that folder carefully because Steam needs to point to the exact backup location. After you've chosen it, click the Restore option and then continue with the installation steps. Steam will now read the backup files and begin restoring the game to your library. Once the restore is complete, the game will be installed and ready to launch again, just like before. This is an easy way to save bandwidth, save time, and keep your favorite games backed up for later. And that's how you back up and restore Steam games the easy way. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.